Hello, in this video I will share with you how to create AI chatbot N8n to send and receive audios. First, we go to GitHub, download this workflow file, you will find its link in the description of this video. Then we go to N8n, log in, as you can see. Then we create a workflow, and import the file that we downloaded from GitHub. As you can see, this is the workflow. We just upload it. Here we copy this link, the webhook. We go to WasenderAPI, create a new session. We name the session My Chatbot N8n, for example. Then we enter the phone number that the AI chatbot will be on. Here I enable webhook notification. I paste the link, select message upsert, and create it. Here I scan my phone number in my WhatsApp. As you can see, I have now scanned it. Now, as you can see, I will go back to N8n. I will go to transcribe recording, as you can see here. I put my API in ChatGPT as you can see here. I get it from ChatGPT OpenAI platform. I search for API key. As you can see here I create a new secret key. I give my key a name. Here I select default project. I create a secret key. As you can see I copy the phone secret key. I paste it. And I save it. As you can see, we save it here. Now we will go to Google Drive and configure it. As you can see, we create a client ID. You should search on YouTube how to get the credentials for Google Drive. Here we also set up send audio for WasenderAPI. As you can see, we get it from our WasenderAPI account. We create a copy API key. We paste it here. We save it as you can see. And now our workflow is ready. As you can see, we execute it.
Hi, how are you?
And here we are transcribing for recording, meaning we convert it to text, as you can see, using AI. We send this text to the AI to respond to us, and we convert it to audio. As you can see, the chatbot responded to the message.
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. How can I assist you today?
The workflow is very simple, meaning this is the initial workflow. You can add anything else to this workflow, no problem, as you can see.
Can you please tell me a funny joke?
Workflow. We are transcribing, sending a message, generating an audio, and reporting to Google Drive.
Sure, here's one for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
As you can see, we've successfully created a system for sending and receiving audio messages. The workflow reads the voice message sent by the user, then responds with another audio message generated by AI, all done simply using WasenderAPI with N8n. One of the reasons this works so well is because WasenderAPI is one of the best WhatsApp API providers available today. It allows you to build AI chatbots quickly, easily, and at a very affordable price, without the limitations of the official Meta API. It's especially useful for developers and creators who want to launch powerful AI-driven WhatsApp experiences without dealing with complicated approval processes or high costs. This workflow can be expanded however you like, for example, by adding custom logic, personas, or any other features you need to personalize your bot. What you see here is just a basic starting workflow designed to help you get your AI chatbot up and running with ease.